Look at that white finish.
It's absolutely beautiful.
The detail on this is incredible.
Welcome back to MotoNova, where every ride has a heartbeat. And today's heartbeat belongs to a legend making a powerful comeback. Because yes, the 2026 Honda CB750 is here, and trust me, this one's not just a bike, it's a time machine with a turbocharged soul. Stay with me till the end, because what Honda's done with this icon will shock even the purists. Now, the CB750 has always been a symbol of balance, power, simplicity, and pure riding joy. But the 2026 version? It's the rebirth of a classic, re-engineered for a new generation. The first thing you'll notice, that design. It's modern, but it hasn't forgotten its roots. The round LED headlight, the muscular tank with a hint of retro curve, and those exposed metallic lines, it's got that old-school swagger, wrapped in futuristic precision. Honda clearly wanted to keep that soul of the 70s alive, but with the aggression and sharpness of today's street fighters. Underneath, it's packing a completely reworked 750 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, now tuned for better torque and smoother top-end power. It's not just fast, it's beautifully responsive. Every twist of the throttle gives you that instant confidence surge that makes you smile under the helmet. Honda's also worked magic on the gearbox. The shifts are crisp, almost telepathic. And here's the cool part. Even though it's built for the streets, the CB750 handles light off-road patches surprisingly well. The suspension setup is balanced, soaking up bumps without killing that sporty feel. So whether you're ripping through city lanes or exploring winding mountain roads, it feels right at home. Inside, you've got a sleek digital console, traction control, ride modes, and even a slight tech boost from Honda's touring lineup. Comfort? Spot on. The seat's more supportive, and the ergonomics feel built for real riders, not just showrooms. Now here's the kicker. Early reports suggest the price will sit around $9,000, which is wild considering the performance and legacy packed into this machine. And if you're wondering how it compares to past CBs, this one feels like the perfect handshake between the old and the new. The soul of the original CB750, but with the bite of modern engineering. But here's the twist, rumors hint. Honda's working on a limited CB750 Super Heritage Edition with gold accents and retro liveries straight from the 1970s racing era. If that turns out true, we might be witnessing one of the most beautiful comebacks in motorcycle history. This is MotoNova, and if you've ever believed legends can be reborn, the 2026 Honda CB750 just proved it.